Alright, guys. Day 2 of working on the tunnel. That's kind of cool. And I believe you guys got done with a third of the way of the tunnel. Yep. So I think the tunnel's going to take at least 2 more days to finish. Yep. So here's our plan for the rest of this. So today we will work on the tunnel. The next time we're going to finish the tunnel. And then the next day after that, we'll connect the tunnel, and then I don't know what tunnel do we have to do next. Yeah, I don't know. How much time of upgrading do we have today? We have about 30 minutes for both days. Okay, so I'm assuming the day that we connect the tunnels together, my side and the Iron Monster's side, that's going to be a 20-minute work. Yeah, I'm afraid so. I don't know what tunnel do we have to finish next. I think it's just a two-way split. Let me see. Okay, so upgrades. Let's look at tunnels. Yep, it says a two-way split. So that's going to be a little bit of work. I almost forgot. The room that we store our stuff in used to be right over there. I think we have to do a tunnel from this main tunnel here, this first tunnel, through here, through there, and then into there. And then we have to do a two-way split there. So, how many days we have left of working on this stuff? So, this new tunnel here, that's going to take 3 days to work on. So, we got done with one. So, we're left with two. And then connecting the tunnel is one separate day. So, we're only going to be connecting the tunnel a separate day from once we start on the two-way split. I mean, if we really want to, on the day that we connect the tunnels, we can start the two-way split. And the two-way split is going to take 2, maybe even 3 days to work on. So I imagine that's another 2 right there. So we're at 5, and then that tunnel from here all the way to there is another 2. So really, that's about 7 or 8 days of work. Okay, so 7, maybe even 8 days of work. That's good. Yup. I believe we're about ready. Alright, let's go. I'm gonna start as well. Okay, there we go. That's another day of work done. Okay, cool. How far did you get? Probably another third of the way through, so next time we are going to finish the tunnel. Yes, so you have one more day of the tunnel, and then I'm not sure if connecting the tunnels will be a separate day, or do you want to do that once you finish the tunnel? I would say maybe connect the tunnels once we're finished. Okay, cool. Then you have one more day for that tunnel, and then the two-way split is going to be a 2-day work. And then after this, the tunnel that goes from here all the way to that room where we store our stuff, that's going to be a 2-day work. Okay, so then that would be 5 more days of work. Okay. Yep. And then we'll plan on some new upgrades with that.